Jingle bells, jingle bells. Is it jingle all the way? I spilled mustard all over me. Yellow. I love it. And I'm not even changing my outfit because I'm disgusting. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my bubble wrap. Oh, that was so loud. ASMR queen back again. And today we are back again to review Jeffree Star's collections. We are here to talk about... Oh, did you see my address? We are here to review the Alien collection. Hello. This is his holiday collection, well, his holiday palette, and there's more to it. There are 8 new liquid lipsticks, 4 new lip scrubs, I can't wait to eat them, and 4 lip ammos, which I don't actually have. So if you're here to see the lip ammos, then I'm sorry, you won't. Quick disclaimer, as I mentioned earlier, Jeffree does send me his products, but that does not affect my honest opinion. I always tell you what I think. Jeffree knows that, you know that, my mom knows it, my grandma knows it, my dog knows it. Let's dive into the Alien palette, which first of all looks amazing. If you know me, you know that I'm freaking sick of neutral palettes. I can't see them anymore. I don't want to put them on my eyes anymore. I don't even want to have them around me anymore. The color range is crazy. Totally crazy. There are so many greens in there and purple and just like cool tone colors, which I actually don't like. Like, I love warm tone colors, I love reds and stuff, but only Jeffree would create a palette like this, let's be honest. Like, no other brand would dare to do this. So you best believe I will be dipping into these green shades today. Nikki Tutorials is quaking. Hello. So I will be talking about the liquid lipsticks later. Let's focus on the palette for now and see what the eyeshadows are like. Hello. All right, you guys, I'm so ready to dip into this palette. So ready. I mean, you can even do this. That's crazy. I mean, it's not that crazy. I've seen crazier things. Oh my god, that's the new show on Netflix, Crazier Things. I am going to dip into this color because it looks fucking amazing. I love neon colors so much. I want to bathe in them. I actually would love to have this hair color. Next hair color video coming soon. But I'm gonna dip into this color Abduction because it just speaks to me. I mean, okay. Oh. Ooh, such a cool shade. I've never even put anything like this on my eye. There is fallout, let me say that. Just a neutral transition shade, you know. So my transition shade is down, and I gotta say, it's pretty fucking cool. I want to dip into this shade now. Flying Saucer. I can't wait for people to read me in the comments that I'm pronouncing all the shades wrong. It's always my favorite part about my reviews. Ooh, that is a really interesting color combo right now. Oh girl, that's gonna be such a crazy look, and I want to go out tonight, and this is the makeup I'm gonna go out with. This green, you guys, it's not playing games. Just gonna try a different brush and see what it does. Ooh, that does look different. I think the different brush really did something. This green also does have fallout. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how many times I say I don't know if you can see it. Is this like a beauty guru thing? I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna apply the green in here. I want to create like a halo eye or something. This is honestly a really cool green shade, even though this look is turning into a look I've never done before. Alright, let's quickly carve out that crease right there. I always do that with the sharp tape. With the tarp shape tape, but this one is almost empty, so I hope I will be getting some product out of there. I should be doing ASMR videos. I really should. Quit this channel. Bye, everyone. Alright, before this sets, I'm gonna dip into Alien, this green shimmery shade, which I'm very excited about. Ooh. Ooh. I didn't wet the brush, just saying. This is just the pure pigment applied on wet concealer. Let me go in with my finger. Wow. Wow. Now let me just blend it into the green. There's like a tiny spot on my inner corner which doesn't want to take the pigment. It's weird. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there and it just doesn't want to take the pigment. Doesn't matter how many times I'm putting the eyeshadow on my eye, it just doesn't want to go there. Going over this green shade. Every shade on my eye is green. I'm like... I mean, look at this pigment. I never thought I would be so amazed by a green shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm applying... Wait, why is there green there? So I'm dipping into abduction again to blend these shades together. And I have so much creases on my forehead because I'm constantly creasing my forehead. Walking in winter wonderland. Alright, let's do a quick winky wing. I wish I wouldn't have done that. And yes, I will be dipping into the purple shade for the lower lash line. I know you wanted that. Yes, I know. This is called Area 51. Oh, maybe not that much. That looks crazy. Now I really look like an alien. I'm gonna use Martian soil to blend this out. This shade is also pretty cool. Like, it's so pigmented that it almost even covers the purple. So as I added a brown shade to blend the purple out, the purple color did fade a little bit. It looks more brown now. Now I'm gonna add Pluto, which is this shade, onto my brow bone and into my inner corner. Pluto is not a planet. Ooh! Okay, I'm quickly going to put on some lashes and just do some mascara and then I'll be right back. Alright, I got my lashes on. That is really an interesting look. So let's head over to the liquid lipsticks. I can't wait to fuck up my lips again. Putting on 8 different liquid lipsticks and taking them off one after each other is really not nice for your lips. But I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for my potato fam, so... that's you. His holiday collection packaging this year is white. I mean, it has a white lid and it's like really glittery. You can't see it, I know. There's like red and golden glitter flakes all over the whole thing. So even though it looks really cool, I gotta say it's not that practical because you don't really see the shade in there. I mean, you can see the color, but you don't know if it's matte, if it's metallic, if it has glitter flakes in it, because you can only see the glitter from the packaging, which is kind of confusing, but I mean, it looks nice. I'm just giving you a heads up that if you want to buy one of these shades, you might want to swatch them or look them up online because they're not all glittery. It just looks like it because of the packaging. So the first shade is Can't Relate. Love this quote. And it looks like a nude. I'm gonna shake it before I apply it because some of you mentioned that in the comments. It is just such a nude color. You know, I'm not that obsessed with nudes. I think I'm the only YouTuber out there who's not obsessed with nude colors. It is very light. Oh, there's green eyeshadow on my lip. Wow, my lips disappeared. Do I have to do a second coat? I'm just gonna do one. Okay, so actually this is kind of cute. I usually never wear colors like this, but I'm kind of digging it, especially with the eye look. It just looks really dope. The texture is a little thin. It goes on a little streaky, but you could go away with just applying one coat. I'm gonna put on a Scandal now, which is a pink nude, a mauve pink nude, I'd say. She doesn't like this, and you do a little shake, 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 shake it. This looks like my lip color. So this lipstick does have a little bit of glitter in it. I'm not that crazy about that. I think it would have been nicer if it would have been just matte because it's kind of a weird formula because it kind of sticks to the dry parts on my lip and it doesn't look that good. Also, I wouldn't necessarily choose this color for this eye look, but I mean, it doesn't matter. But it's okay, but it's not my favorite. All right, the next shade is Clout, which kind of looks like my hair color when I'm looking at that. This one is a metallic shade. Ooh, this is exactly my hair color. I mean, I do have to dip in a couple of times. I'll have to go in with a second coat. Damn, that's a crazy color. Okay, if this isn't an alien look, I don't know what is. This shade is so freaking reflective. It looks so cool. Still, it's a lot with this eye look, but this is such a cool shade. It's definitely one of those shades which will make your teeth look yellow because it's kind of lavender, and it did go on streaky, so I had to apply 2 coats, but I feel like that's just like normal for a metallic lip shade. But I really love this one. I think I like the metallic lip shade out of his last collection more, the champagne rosé kind of lipstick, but this is really cool. This is screaming alien to me, at me. Alright, so my lips already look a little tortured, but not tortured enough, so we're gonna carry on. You know what? I think it's time for JEFFREE Who, which is a really cool name. If I would make lipsticks or any kind of makeup product which you give a name, I would have so many things I would name it. But actually, I want to know from you guys what you would call like an eyeshadow or a lipstick if you were me. Okay, so it's time for JEFFREE Who. Ah, okay. Kind of looks like Calabasas. Actually, I don't have Calabasas, so I can't compare them. I'm sorry. You can already tell this is the typical Jeffree Star matte liquid lipstick formula, which is just amazing. Damn, I love this color. It's so pretty. It went on super quickly, and it's just Jeffree's typical liquid lipstick formula. It's just good. I don't know why, but I also think it goes so well with the eye look. I don't know why, but I love it. I don't want to take it off. I want to go out like this. Bye. I did put some foundation on my lips, but you can definitely see some of the stainage, stainulation. I'm gonna carry on with the next one. I'm gonna wear this one now. This is Karma, and it looks green. Well, khaki. This is such a crazy color on the lips. I think I've never seen a lipstick like this. That moment when you fuck up applying a lipstick and you're like constantly overdrawing more and more because you want to fix your mistakes, and then you're just like almost at your nose with overlining your lipstick. You guys, this shade is so freaking amazing. I love it! I've never thought this would look so good. This is such a unique shade. It looks so cool on the lips. Why has nobody ever done it before? I mean, it was probably done before, but I just haven't seen it. Or was it? I don't know. I just don't know any lipsticks like this. Especially with this eye look. Oh my god, I love... My lip area is beginning to look so fucking crusty. Yeah. Let's dive into this one, which is gonna be so red. I know it. So this is... Hi. How are you? Ooh, this is such a Christmas shade again. Oh, this will be so hard to take off. And suddenly this turned into a Christmas look. No, I really love this shade. It even has like little glitter flakes in it like the other one, but I think this one looks so much better. Like the glitter is so much more visible. I mean, it does look a little bit streaky if you look closely onto my lips. You can see the parts where it's not that opaque and it's not that even. But oh hell, is this hard to take off. Oh my god. Looks like I took off my lipstick and then I wiped my ass with it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Let's try the blue one next, which is YSOTP. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This goes on so smoothly. It is in fact metallic, but not as metallic and reflective as Clout. It is like a soft sheen, I would say, and it looks dope. Oh my god, I love so many shades in this collection. Damn. Also, as you guys know, I'm not such a big fan of metallic lipsticks, but this one is just a little bit metallic, just a little bit, and I don't mind it. It looks dope. I said dope for a lot of times. All right, next one. Last one. Oh. Oh, that's sexy. This one is called Triggered, and I hope it's not gonna trigger me. Oh my god, this is almost black. Wow. Really good coverage. Yes, 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 yes to this shade. It looks freaking stunning. I love it so much with this eye look. It went on so beautifully and just with such a good coverage. It's just beautiful. I saved the best for last. I do have the lip scrubs here and I'm ready to review them. So as always, I'm not gonna try them on my lips because we know Jeffree's lip scrub formula is amazing. They look so cute. They smell so good. This is salted caramel. It smells exactly like salted caramel. This tastes so freaking good. Not all of Jeffree's lip scrubs taste as good as they smell. This is pumpkin pie. It smells like cinnamon. This also tastes good. It's really good. Why am I getting sad? French toast. Ooh. Nah, not the best one. And the last one, eggnog. I have no idea what eggnog tastes like. It smells pretty good. Pretty eggy. Eggy azalea. It started off good, didn't end well. I love doing a mukbang. I think we got through his collection, except the lip emos. Let's do my final thoughts. Let's start with this palette. I gotta say, the shades I used on my eyes were so good. Just so good. I actually have nothing to criticize except that it did have fallout, but I mean, I'm still alive, so nobody cares about fallout. Honestly, the only thing I can criticize about this whole palette is that it isn't the shade range for everybody. But I don't really think you should criticize that because it's unique. I just know that some people might not be attracted by these colors. But honestly, like, try it out. Wear it on your face. Maybe it's not that bad, you know? I personally am not the biggest fan of green eyeshadow as well, but to be honest, I kind of really like it. The lipsticks. So 100% my favorite shade was Karma. This was so freaking pretty and just went on so easily, and I love this shade. I also really love Triggered, which I'm wearing right now. It's beautiful. The metallic shade was cool as well, but this one is definitely the streakiest out of all of them. And if I think about it, the nude one was also... I mean, it was nude, so it's probably the most wearable out of all of them, but I'm just like, I don't need it in my life. These three were my favorites. Triggered, YSOTP, and Karma. Always the bold ones. I'm just a bold queen, you know. And if you want to know which lip scrub had the best flavor, just in case you want to eat it too, it was definitely salted caramel and pumpkin pie. Salted caramel, I'm gonna eat it right after this video. I'm gonna eat the whole pot. That's actually it for this video. All in all, this is such an amazing collection. I really love it and I'm so glad I got to try it out. Also tell me your opinion about this collection. Would you wear this green eyeshadow? Would you wear this lip color? Which lipstick was your favorite? Tell me all of it. I wanna know all of it. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.